You're welcome to GMAT class. Now let's look at this problem under modular arithmetic. Find the last digit of 128 raised to the power of 347. Alright, we want to get the last digit. When you simplify this, what is going to be the last digit? Okay, so now the process is this. Now look at the base we have here. So look for the last digit in the base. Now the last digit here is 8. So you write out 8. So we want to look for all the powers of 8 in modulo 10, right? So since we know that any number in modulo 10, the remainder is always the last digit. Take for instance now, if I have 17, the last digit is 7. So if I'm to express it in mod 10 now, it's going to be 10 times 1 plus 7, which is this. Alright, so we are now going to look for all the powers of 8 in mode 10. So let's do that. Now we have 8 raised to the power of 1. It's the same thing as 8 in mode 10. So what is going to be the answer now? That's going to be 8. Now let's look at the second one. So this is 64. So in mode 10. Now if you're expressing a number in mode 10, that means you divide that number by the mode. The remainder is going to be the answer. So when you divide this one by 10, you have 6, remainder 4. So that's the answer. So you have 4. Okay. Now that means the last digit of this number now is 4. Okay. So now let's move on. We have 3. Okay, so that is going to, because if I'm multiplying this one, I'm going to be having a big number. So since I know 64 is 4, so I'll just say 8 times 4 minus 10. That's the same thing as 8 raised to the power of 3. Alright, that is the answer of 8 raised to the power of 2 times 8. That is 8 raised to the power of 3. So when you multiply this, you have 32. So 32 in mode 10 is going to give you 2. 32 divided by 2, that is 3 remainder 2. So we have this. The next one is raised to the power of 4. So that's going to be a big number as well. So now what do you do now? So you have this, which is 8 raised to the power of 3 times 8. That's 2 times 8 in mode 10. Okay, this one is going to give you 16. Now 16 divided by 10, so we have 106. So 6 is going to be the last digit. Okay, so now we are going to be doing, or we will continue doing this process until we get to a certain number that you have gotten before. So once we get a number that we have gotten before, that is, we get 8 back now, so that means we are going to stop. Alright, so now let's see this 8 raised to the power of 5. So how will I do that? 8 raised to the power of 4, the answer is 6. And we have 6 times 8 in mode 10. Now when you multiply this, we are going to have what? We are going to have what? That's 48. So you have 48, so 48 divided by 10. So we are going to have the remainder of 8. The remainder of 8. So you can see we have gotten 8. So if you continue the process, the next one we are going to have 4, we have 2, we have 6, and so on. So these are the last digits we are going to be having. We have 8, 4, 2, 6, repeating itself over and over and over and over till eternity. So that's what we're going to be having. Alright? So now you can see the length of this number now. The length is 4. The length is 4. So that is, we have 4 possible number. Alright, so now after getting this, now you come back to your question. Look at the power here. You write the power out. So that's 347. So you look for the equivalence of this in mode 4, the mode of the length. Alright, so in mode 4. Mode 4. Okay, so now let us do that. So we want to express this one in mode 4. So 4 goes in 34. So we just do this one after. So 4 goes in 34. So 1 way down, that's 8. So you have 8. Remain 2. So you put that 2 in front of 7. Right? So 4 goes in 24. And that's 6. 6. So that's times 4. Plus we have a remainder of 3. So we have 3. Mode 4. So that means the answer is going to be 3 mode 4. Okay, so now this 3 will come here and count the digits at position 3. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one. So now 3 is here. So you come here, count 3, 1, 2, 3. So the last digit of this number now is going to be 2. Alright, so last digit of 128 instead of 347 is 2. So that is going to be the answer. So you can try this and let me have your answer in the comment section. Try this. What is the last digit of 215 raised to power 63? Okay, so try this and let me have the answer in the comment section. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends. Thanks.